I'm Mike Mangus, editor of Modern Tire Dealer magazine, and I'm here today with John Zentz of Hunter Engineering at the 2022 SEMA show to talk about a brand new tire changer that Hunter has just introduced to the market, the Maverick. Can you tell us a little bit more about this exciting new product?
Certainly, Mike. It's truly an honor to be here with you at the SEMA show this year. We're so excited to introduce the Maverick tire changer. It's 100% designed and built by Hunter here in the United States. It's really cool because it can change anything from a 10-inch to a 34-inch wheel. And if you notice how David's moving the chassis to set the diameter, if you notice the mount head moves with it, so everything works in sync. The beauty of this changer is it lets the technician drive. So he's in complete control of the tire changing process. All the controls are variable hydraulic, so he can go fast when he wants to, go slowly when he wants to, and everything in between, and certainly do the best job possible in changing a tire.
Sounds like a great product for tire dealers. Thank you for the update.
You're welcome, Mike. Glad to do it. Good to be with you.